Hey, what's up? It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, and me and Rango, we're out in the barn. We're gonna get some work done. Hey, what's up? My name is Colt Morris from Coyote Academy, and I was going to just kind of talk to you, briefly about two of the gun setups that I'm going to start running now. So one's going to be my daytime setup and the nighttime setup. Delta 5 Pro, 6mm, 26-inch varmint barrel, and then my day gun is going to be the 22-250. It's a customized Savage. It is, both these guns are tack drivers. I will say this one has a lot more distance, a lot more range, but this one will be getting upgraded. And if you have any specific questions, anything you want me to go over, any kind of details you want me to kind of touch base back on, just do me a favor and stay and watch to the end of the video, and I'm going to kind of give you a little update on an upcoming video that's going to be live streamed, and you'll get the date and time. And that's where, if you do have any of those like specific questions, any kind of feature you want me to go over, any detail that I didn't talk about or maybe missed, and you want to hear about it, you can hop on then. But at the same time, during that live, we're going to be going over my pack setup, my nighttime pack setup, my daytime pack setup. So it's going to be kind of in the same format as what, like a talking head. It should be a good time. And I hate asking this shit, but if you could subscribe, like, comment, whether you don't like the content, or you do like the content, or you want to see something else, let me know. I sure appreciate it. And take care. All right, so let's do a quick overview of the Delta 5 Pro. It's the 26-inch barrel varmint. So it is their precision rifle. It's designed primarily for varmint hunting and long-range shooting, but it combines advanced technology with like user-friendly features that cater to both to the novice and to like the well-experienced shooters. The 26-inch barrel, it's particularly suited for like achieving like really good accuracy, or like really high accuracy, or like small groupings over long distances. So their claim to fame is you're able to shoot sub 0.5 MOA, groupings, yards. So it's a very popular choice among like predator hunters and precision shooting enthusiasts. Some of the key features, the barrel's 26 inches, designed for enhanced ballistics performance. It has a higher muzzle velocity, increased accuracy. It's chambered in very, very popular varmint calibers. But as for me, my application, I went with the 6mm. I find that is very suiting, very fitting for me and for what I want to do. It's kind of similar to like a 243. Then you have the stock that it comes with. The Delta 5, it has a super sweet adjustable stock. It pretty much allows you to customize the length of pull, where your cheek weld's going to be at. Just makes it so you have a customized fit. In that, I always preach the sweat method, or same way every time. It's, you want to get into the gun the same way every time, set up in the gun the same way every time, pull the trigger the same way. Everything you want to do, you want to have it down to a very minute detail. With that being said, the stock is very durable. I'm thinking that it's going to be able to handle some very hard conditions. So it should offer some comfort, but also some stability, which is 100% what I'm going for. So the action and the trigger, it's very smooth, reliable. I believe it's a Timney trigger system. The one thing that a lot of complaints are is the bolt, when you bring the bolt back, but I haven't really found that to be an issue as of now. So far, everything's been working just the way I needed it to be. It has a very crisp trigger pull, and I'm really hoping that it takes my hunting to the next level. Optics on the gun. You have a very, very wide range of optics you can put. As for me, I'm going with my thermal setup, which is the Pulsar Thermion 260. And you can look up all the specs on that, but right now I have it on some rings, and I think the rings are a little too high, so I'm going to switch out to some MDT rings and kind of upgrade it that way. Get the reticle, the bottom of the reticle, a little bit closer to the middle chamber of the bore, and hopefully I keep having a lot straighter and more accurate, more precise shots, I should say. So some of the the pros of this is it has like very customizable features. It's supposed to be a very high precision gun, especially for someone looking for, a factory bolt gun. I think it's going to be one of your best options to go with. Some of the cons is the weight, the price point. When it was all said and done, I believe after taxes and everything, I paid close to $3,000. So my rig is probably like a $12,000 setup, with the scope, the gun, silencer, the tripod, bipod, ball head, everything like that. So yeah, that's one way to spend quite a bit of money, really. Now, as for the bipod that I put on it, it's just an MDT bipod, and then sitting at the end of the barrel is a Banish 30 silencer. It's their 9-inch model. Well, I mean, it's their fully completed model. I didn't break it down and short it down to a 7-inch. So that's why I named the Delta 5 Sir Hits a Lot, because Sir Mix-a-Lot's song Baby Got Back, he said he's long, strong, and down to get the friction on. And Sir Hits a Lot is long, strong, and ready to get the killing on. I'm very impressed with the rifle, guys. I mean, I love it. And now as for the day gun, I'm going with the 22-250. I just like the 22-250. There's no real like advanced tactic or application or reason why I'm using it. I just love the 22-250. I have a Savage Axis, and then I upgraded it to a Boyd's gun stock. Put a Codwell, just your plain Jane Codwell bipod on it, and then that also has a Banish silencer with, and then sitting at the top, at the crown is just a Vortex optics, and then I'm running a Tacticam film through the scope camera setup. So I'm going to try and get several different day hunts going and try and get some better overall footage. So the only thing I think I might kind of switch up on the 22-250 is I ended up buying a 26-inch heavy varmint barrel. The Criterion, it was a pre-fitted Savage barrel, so it should be on its way here. The only thing I'll have to do to it is get it threaded and then have the silencer put back on. Shouldn't be a huge issue. My one concern that my partner brought up was with that new barrel being a lot thicker in diameter, if it's going to seat well into the Boyd's gun stock, so we might have to fab that just a tiny bit. Otherwise, I don't see too many issues with that moving forward at all. I did upgrade the trigger system. I did buy it's their precision trigger system. It don't matter. Anyways, it shoots really, really great, and I'm excited. I'm excited for both setups. So the Delta 5 and the 22-50 are going to be great guns. They're going to be excellent guns. They're going to have different applications, but they're phenomenal units, and I'm looking forward to it, especially with the upgrades. Now, with that being said, I did want to let everyone know that this evening I will be going live to talk about the day packs, the night pack, kind of my pack setup, what I'm carrying, what's all, I guess, in my pack. So the live is going to be going at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. During that time, you can pretty much ask me anything that's kind of relative to coyotes, coyote hunting, coyote trapping, and I really, really look forward to seeing some of you guys there, and we'll see how it goes, and hopefully we can keep doing this and keep this going. So thanks again, and like I said, I hate asking this, but if you could subscribe, like, comment. You can comment whether you do like it or you don't like it, or what you want to see coming up or moving forward. I really, really appreciate it, and you guys take care.